Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hadith number 8. Action depends on intention. Hadith number 2. The best among you is he who learns and teaches the Quran. Hadith number 3. Song is a shield. Hadith number 4. Whoever maintains silence attains deliverance. Hadith number 5. Avoid telling lies. Avoid telling lies. Avoid telling lies. Hadith number 6. The religion Islam is easy. The religion Islam is easy. Hadith number 7. Salah is a key of paradise. Hadith number 8. Say Assalamu alaikum before you speak. Hadith number 9. Be truthful. Hadith number 10. Avoid anger. Avoid anger. Hadith number 11. Whenever you ask, then ask for Allah. Hadith number 12. Dua is a weapon of Muslims. Hadith number 13. One who backbites will not enter paradise. Hadith number 14. The best of whom has excellent conduct. Hadith number 15. One human being cannot be grateful to Allah. All praise be to Allah, the cherisher and sustainer of the world. Most gracious, most merciful, Master of the Day of Judgment, you do we worship and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not red and who go not astray. Say, He is Allah, the One, Allah the Eternal, Absolute. He begetted not, nor is He begotten, and there is none like unto Him. Say, O you that reject faith, I worship not that which you worship, nor will you worship that which I worship, and I will not worship that which you have been wont to worship, nor will you worship that which I worship. To you be your way, and to me mine.